So as we're going over volume of a cylinder, our formula said volume equals area of the base times height. So, area of the base, what is that? We don't know what it is. The first thing we're going to do our first example. Go ahead and draw a cylinder. So I draw my cylinder. I notice that my cylinder has a height of 1. And inside my cylinder circle, I have a radius of, let's say, 3. Okay? And I want to find the volume of a cylinder, which is volume equals area of the base times the height. So when I say the volume of the base, well, I'm going to look at my cylinder. The cylinder, for any object, your base is going to be the top and the bottom, what stands up that cylinder. So if I have my cup right here, it's standing on the base. Okay, if I put it up, it's on the base. What is the shape of that base? A circle. So when we're saying area of the base, it's saying area of the base shape. What's my base shape? We said it was a circle, so we're going to draw a circle. And in that circle, it gives us what? What does it tell me about that circle? The radius is 3. So therefore, if my base is a circle, then that means I'm finding area of a circle. So go ahead with your formula chart. What does area of a circle say? It says area equals pi times r squared. So it's saying area equals pi times radius squared. Well, that is all the things that we already know. What's pi? 3.14 times, what's my radius? 3. And then we're going to square it. Go and calculate the area of the circle, which is the same thing as the area of the base. Go and calculate. 3.14 times 3 squared. Good job. So that means the area of a circle, which is the area of the base, is 28.26. Then I look back and I'm looking at my formula. It says the area of the base times the height. What's the height of the whole cylinder? 1. So that means my volume equals the area of the base, which is 28.26, times the height, which is 1, gives you 28.26. Now for volume, it's a 3-dimensional shape, so that means we're going to end it in units to the 3rd power, or cube units, okay? Because if you think about perimeter, you're adding all the sides, that's to the power of 1. Area is a 2-dimensional shape. We're talking about the area inside of our figure. That is going to be to the power of 2. And volume is a 3-dimensional shape. That means we're pouring liquid into something that gives us the volume. So it's going to be to the 3rd power. Okay, so that's how you remember it. Because on your star, it's going to say the answer, but it'll have the power wrong. Okay, so you got to look at that and say, hey, what is it talking about? Volume, it has to be the 3rd power. Area is always to the 2nd power. Okay, so let's do another one. Go ahead and draw your cylinder. Here's my cylinder. The height is 5, and let's say the radius is 2 centimeters. So we have 2 centimeters. Height is 5 centimeters, and the radius is 2 centimeters. Again, what's the formula? Volume equals?
B.
No? Does not say that. What does it say?
Area of the base.
Thank you. Volume equals area of the base times the height. Times the height. So it says find the area of the base. Well, what's the shape of my base?
Circle.
A circle. So let's go ahead and draw a circle. And in my circle, I have a what? I have a radius of 2 centimeters to draw. So if we're talking about area of the base, my base shape is a circle. So that means I need to find the area of the circle. So if area equals pi times r squared. So what's pi? 3.14 times, what's my radius? 2 squared. So we calculate, we're actually finding the area of the base. So what's the area of the base?
12.56.
Good job, 12.56. And then we also need to find the height. What's the height of the figure? 5. So that means that's volume equals the area of the base times it by the height. Gives you 62.8 centimeters what? Centimeters. That is my unit. Centimeters what? Goes perimeter, area, volume. Think about it. Perimeter, area, volume. Look, 3 is cubed. The 3-dimensional shape. Okay, last problem. Draw another cylinder. This time in my cylinder, I have a height of 5 centimeters and I have a diameter of 12 centimeters. Okay, so we want to find the volume of the cylinder. So my formula is volume equals. No, what's volume equals? Area of the base times height. Hey, come on, remember, area of the base times height. If you keep saying that, it'll start to make sense of what you're doing. Because we're going to be using formulas from here on out, and you have to read them and say them correctly so you know what it's talking about. So volume equals area of the base times height. So my first step is to draw the base. So what's the shape of my base? A circle. So in my circle, I need a what? What do I need? The radius. I need the radius. The circle up here gives me a diameter. How do I find the radius? Cut it in half or divide it by 2. So if I take half of it, I should get 6 centimeters. So my next step is to find the what? The area. So that's area equals what? Pi times r squared, radius squared. So pi is 3.14 times what's my radius? 6 and square it. That gives me my area of the base. So 3.14 times 6 squared. Good job. 113.04. And then again, if I look back at my formula, I need to find my height. What's the height? 5. So if I plug it all in, volume equals the area of the base times my height gives me 565.2 what? What are my units?
Centimeters.
It's centimeters, so that's centimeters what?
No, that's great.
Think about it. Put it in your neck. Cubed. Cubed.